God, I didn't press record for a second. That would have sucked. Hey guys, I hope you all have been doing well. So a couple months ago, there was a trend going around on YouTube where various YouTubers, mostly like beauty gurus, would try to follow other people's tutorials. Someone could probably say that as like a test of like how good their tutorials are and how easy they are to follow. And I've seen a lot of makeup people and beauty people do it, but I haven't really seen much of like artists or crafters doing it. And there's kind of a missed opportunity with that in my opinion, because like most of the community is basically tutorials and teaching people how to do stuff, so that would be perfect for this kind of video. I am missing the trend by a few months because I was just really busy with school while this was going on, but we're here now and we're gonna try someone's tutorial. So this week I'm going to be doing the DIY travel wallet tutorial from Sea Lemon. Sea Lemon, in case you don't know, she is a YouTuber on here. She does a lot of crafting stuff, mainly with bookbinding and creating books in general. They're really interesting to watch even if you don't end up following them. Let's get started.
Here's a list of materials and tools I'll be using to make one wallet.
Okay, so we got the foam sheet, we got the elastic band right here, ruler, it's down here. And I'm probably just gonna be using the cutting mat because it's already measured, just for simplicity's sake. X-Acto knife, got that. Scissors. Where did I put my scissors? I don't know where my scissors are. Alright, we're gonna pause this for a second while I go look for some scissors. Scissors, okay. Bone folder, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna be using the back of the paintbrush, and got a bigger one in here in case I need a bigger one. Glue gun right here, bottle cap, there's one back there I can go grab. Alright, I've got everything, so let's get on with the tutorial. For real this time.
First, trim the foam sheet down to 15 by 9 inches. You can mark your measurements with a dent rather than a pen mark.
And I ended up accidentally taking part of the ruler with it. Oops. This is why you should use a metal ruler. I can't find mine, so I've just got to use a wooden yardstick. Okay, we got that done. Just gotta move my chair for real quick. I think I need to stand for this. Yeah, what's next?
Then score a line in the middle.
Score a line 4.5 inches away from the center.
Wait, okay. I don't know why my iPad didn't register that touch, but anyway, so. She said 4.5 inches away, so. Okay, they're scored. What's next?
And then cut a 1.5 inch rectangle off the top left flap.
Okay, now we got our ruler. Now we're gonna trim that up to there. Looks like, is that in the video? Yes. On the scored line. Okay. Cut away from you, children. Do as I say, and not as I do. There's that.
Now make a line 3 inches from the top of the right flap.
Alright. Let me just do this one more time. There we go. Perfect. Scored. Okay, what's next?
If you want your wallet to have round corners, you can use a bottle cap to cut around. So just take caution and cut carefully.
See, this is what I appreciate about tutorials like this, is that they make it clear to be careful when you're cutting, and they don't just tell you to use a sharp knife. Trim, trim. I think that's the end of the knife stuff.
And now I'm going to glue the flaps down to form the pockets. I'm using a glue gun for this.
Probably pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna wait for the gun to start heating up. Okay, it's good. So we're gonna glue that down.
Glue the left flap down on the bottom. Now on the right flap, glue a line on the bottom, top, and scored line. And now for the band. For more on elastic band sources and substitutes, check out this video here.
That's what I also like about Jennifer's channel, is that she makes it very concise and clear, like what you can use, and she has a whole bunch of videos on that, and that's why I really like her and her stuff. And I forgot to round one of these quarters. BRB. Okay, we got our band.
To measure the amount of elastic band, wrap it around and slightly pull it so there's enough tension.
Okay, what's next? What's next?
Area in the center of the wallet.
Oh no! Just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Ah! What's she doing? I think we're good.
Now make a rough dent area in the center of the wallet on the outside. Then glue the ends of the band to that area in the center. Loop the band around like this to glue both ends side by side.
Oh, oops. We're gonna make do. We're gonna make do. I didn't glue it down right. Is that good? Is that good? Are we good? Hey! 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 That looks pretty good! I like that! Hey, look at that! I made a thing following a tutorial! I'm proud of myself now. So we have one, and there goes a bunch of stuff. So decorations, I actually bought some, like, the foam with, like, the sticky stuff on it. So we're gonna use some of this to decorate it with. So this is actually going to be a present for my mom. She's gonna be traveling here in a few weeks. She's gonna be at Disney World. Without me, of course, but I'm gonna make what this is gonna be for her to carry around with her. So I'm gonna put a little Mickey head, little hidden Mickey head on the bottom of that, and I think we're gonna call it a day. I think that's it. I think I'm done. You know what? That was a lot of fun. I am really glad I did this. And I think it came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. Maybe not as nice and formal as hers, but you know what? She's been doing this for years, and I just did this within like 30 minutes today. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I kind of want to do more like this. I kind of want to follow more tutorials. It's like, I never do DIYs. I just like watching them, but oh my gosh, now I want to do more. I want to do them all. But this is probably just about all we can do today. So again, thank you all so much for watching, as always, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.
line.